day 2 of my alternative advent calendar, and this week it's all about time-saving hacks to reduce stress and give you that time back, the most busiest and stressful time of the year. So day 2, let's batch cook some grains and veggies. So choose one grain to cook a whole load that will last you for the week, whether it's brown rice, whether it's quinoa. Choose your grain and take a few sheets that you can place veggies on for you to roast in the oven. Now all you need to do there is pick veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or if you want to make it a bit more Mediterranean, some peppers, some aubergine, some courgette, and some red onions, and coat them in a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and put the veggies in the oven and cook your grain. Do this on a Sunday night and you've got a plethora of meals for the week ahead. For example, toss the veggies in a store-bought pesto sauce one night and serve with some quinoa and some quick fried prawns that are also tossed in the pesto. So that's one night sorted. Serve the grain, whether it's quinoa or rice, on another night, and use some more of the veggies. Then take a scoop of the rice, take a scoop of the veggies, some hummus, some canned rinsed chickpeas, and some olives, and then you've got another meal there. And on night 3, you might want to serve the grains and veggies along with some chicken. So there's already 3 meals there. So you can just mix and match and have whatever you want. And that is day 2.